Okay. Vacuum search. Look, there's even... It's right here. Can't believe this vacuum is going, yeah. This Hoover's messy. I'll go unplug it. Or I don't have to unplug it. I'll unplug it right here. Is it off? Let's open this thing. I don't know what's going to be in there. Oh, that's it pulled out the bag. The bag just came out. Wow. This thing is a mess. But it sucked it in. So it's not too bad. Oh my. Oh my eyes. Okay. I gotta use something else for this thing. What should I use? What should I use, guys? Should I use... I have no idea. It's everywhere in my eyes. My gosh. Okay, let's try the hose. Let's try the hose. Oh my gosh. If this hose is crazy, I don't know. Good thing that this Hoover sucks it up. I don't know why that guy threw it out. But now we got this Hoover. Bushel ready. This part goes into the cleaning tools. I don't know what's going to be in here. I don't know what will be with that hose. Okay, so I got the hose ready. Vacuum's plugged out. I'll plug it in. Okay, this video's about to end. Oh, don't forget to close the thing. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's a mess. I don't know what this... Okay, let's try it like this. Oh, let's try it like this. See? Oh. Oh. Okay, it will fall like that. So I'll put it here. See, guys? I'll put it here. See if it sucks it up. 3, 2, 1. So it sucked it up. Unplug it. Wow, this is a mess, guys. So the hose worked. Are you ready to look what's inside? Okay. Same thing. There's dirt everywhere. Oh my gosh. But this vacuum is good. I thought this is bad vacuum because it was on the trash, but it works. So I don't know why he threw it out. But it actually works. Oh my gosh, look at the back of this thing. I gotta take this thing off. Look at the... Look at the front of this thing. Look at this. gosh. Okay, that trash is still in there. But okay, I'll throw all that trash in there. There you go. All in that hole. Come on. Okay, it won't fit. Whatever. Wait, what if I just turned it on? Should I turn it on? Oh my gosh. Okay. It's on. This is going to be a canyon. 3, 2, 1. It just spit it out. But look at this thing. Look inside of this thing. Look at all this. I better hand wash this thing. Look at that. That's why they say to take a bag and don't use that. Look at this. Just spit it out. Oh my gosh. So this is why that vacuum was sitting in the trash. Has no power. That's why it was sitting there. Yeah. Look, it just spit this whole bag out. I don't know why this guy threw it out. Maybe he wanted maybe he hated bag vacuums. He wanted like this dump vacuum, so he threw this one away and bought a new one. The other vacuum, I guess. Yep. Probably. Look, there's even dirt right here. Oh my gosh, this vacuum's a mess. Okay, Dirt Evil has to clean this up for me. Or Dyson. Okay, I better hand wash this. Holy macaroni. Okay, I'm just going to take a hose and clean this vacuum by itself. And it will just spit it out. I will use Dyson for this. Okay. Oh, but this is an Hoover vacuum, so I'll use this brush. Yeah. But that Dirt Evil doesn't have a brush, so sorry. Okay. The hose. Wow. This whole Hoover messed up this vacuum. So in that thing too. Oh, I gotta take off the cord. Don't forget about the cord. Okay, this is Hoover. This is Dyson. Okay, Dyson's plugged in. Oh, I don't know if that Hoover will fit in here. And I don't know if this thing will open up. It will. Okay, let's see if this brush fits. I guess it will not. Yeah, it will not. Okay, so I guess we have to use the Dyson brush. Move it closer. I'll just like clean this up. 3, 2, 1. No, there's more right here. Oh my gosh, there's more? Are you kidding me? So this is why this vacuum was sitting on the trash? Yeah, probably. Just look at this thing. Okay, Hoover's not cleaning this up, Dyson is. I guess the candy will be too. I don't know who. Okay, put the brush back. Okay, so the video's almost done. Okay, I'll plug Dyson. Hoover works, but it's messy. Yeah. I don't know why it's messy. Probably these are crazy vacuums. Come on. What? Wait, this is the cord from Hoover. So why are you giving here? I need Dyson cord, not Hoover. Okay, this cord is connected. I'll unconnect it. Okay, guys. That. And then the Hoover cord, I have to plug it in. No, I'm not plugging it in. Oh wait, why did I put that? Okay. Okay, I got lots to clean up here. Okay. More trash. Should I do this, guys? I'm closing my ears. 3, 2, 1. Great. I have so much work to do. I'll pause this video. Okay, guys, I'll pause this video because it's so long. Okay, back to the home page. So I guess, who should I pick? Oh, you didn't catch it, so not Dirt Evil, not Hoover. Okay, Dyson catched it. Okay, so Dyson is the winner. Okay, okay, here's your present. Look at this mess, it's still here. It's still here. Oh my gosh. Look, it's the whole thing is in here. This thing didn't clean up anything. Wow, what a beauty. Oh, look, it's still here. This is your bag? Okay. Okay, so like, subscribe, comment which vacuum was the best. What vacuum was the best? So like, comment, subscribe. Okay, so I hope you have a good day. Bye.